If your vehicle has suffered hail damage, the first step is to contact your insurance company and file a claim. After filing, the insurance company may recommend a preferred shop, but remember, you have the right to choose where your vehicle is repaired. Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR, is one of the top methods for restoring hail-damaged vehicles without affecting the original factory finish. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we specialize in PDR and have over 30 years of experience perfecting this craft. We're located at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. If you're unsure whether your vehicle is a candidate for PDR, stop by our state-of-the-art estimating bay or give us a call at 325-703-6149. We'll give you an honest, professional assessment. In addition to hail damage, we also repair door dings, minor dents, and in many cases, even extreme damage. Let Angelo Dent Removal Inc. With a 5-star rating on Google, our reputation speaks for itself. Check us out on Google and stop by today. Your car deserves expert care, and you deserve the freedom to choose.